Next.js provides us a cookies function which create a cookies store to have a clear approach for accessing to client cookies. But accordingly to Next.js documentation, we can write cookies with help of that store only in server actions or by route handlers. Let's check whether we can do that in a Next.js middleware. In my middleware, I'm importing cookies function from Next.js headers, and then I want to check if user has accepted cookies. If not, I want to prevent setting a cookie for internalization purposes, since an internalization cookie is setting automatically by Next internalization library I use in my pet project. So let's run our application and check whether our code works. As we can see, it doesn't. We see the error which is telling us we can modify cookies only in server actions or in route handlers, as we've read in the documentation previously. And it turns out, middleware can't do that with the approach we tried. Let's try another way I've prepared earlier. We will just use request which our middleware accepts. And for modifying, we will use response object which we are going to return to our client. Let's run our application again and check if now it works. So, now we don't have any errors, and my application shows a cookies acknowledgement modal window for new users. Firstly, let's check how our application behaves if I proceed with decline action of the modal window. Decline action executes a server action set cookie with value false. That action you can see on the screen. Now let's refresh the page and check request and response headers for HTML page. First thing, we can see that in the server response we see set cookie header, which actually won't change client cookies at all due to expiration date, which is in the past. Secondly, in the request, we see that current cookies include only one value, is cookies accepted false. Okay, for declining cookies, it works, as I expected. Now, let's clear our site data including cookies and check app behavior for case when user accepts cookies. Let's click on Accept Modal Window Action, refresh the page and check request and response again. Firstly, let's check current cookies. It still includes one value, is cookies accepted, but now value is true. Then, let's move to the server response and check Set Cookie Header again. Now, there we see that expiration date is already in the future, it will be in 1 year. And value for that cookie already includes client's locale. Okay, let's refresh the page again and check whether current cookies changed. Cool! Now client's cookies include locale and app theme values.